Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Arknights error code 200. The error reads, Game configuration acquisition timeout. Please try again. As per our research, the error comes when users try to enter the game. The screen starts loading, but after waiting for a while, this error pops up and prevents access to the game. According to our research, the error is likely related to network issues. It may occur due to unstable internet connections, Wi-Fi frequency conflicts, or temporary issues with the game server. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your internet connection. Once both restart, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if the game requires any updates. If there is an update, install it and then check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try switching between 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz under your router settings. Some users have shared that this fixed the issue for them, so try this and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try switching to a different internet source. You can try another Wi-Fi, use mobile data, or connect using a mobile hotspot. Then check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, try using a VPN if you have access to one. Once connected to the VPN, launch the game and check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.